practice just going in circles like this, ultimately it can make you dizzy. So I think what we should do is this, where we do cap, 2, 3, and now in 4, go all the way around one time back to here, and then cap, 2, 3, and now we'll turn 1, 2, 3, 4, and cap, 2, 3, and now we'll turn 1, 2, 3, 4, and cap, 2, 3. You either do a right outside turn where you flip this way and then flip this way, or the left inside turn, which is this one, which is a backward turn. So you have to step back and then step back again. So I think it's easier to step front. But that's subjective. Just a regular cap. This would be good for your 6-part cap. And then on the turn, we're practicing the piece that would be good for the 4 pedal. So cap, 2, 3, and now we're gonna turn, bump, 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 and cap, 2, 3, and turn, and around, and cap, 2, 3, and turn, 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 and cap, 2, 3, and turn. And I don't know how many we did, but we'll do 10 more. And cap, 2, 3, and turn, and cap, 2, 3, and turn. Just enough to get the arm really burning. And cap, 2, 3, and turn, 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 cap, 2, 3, and turn, and cap, 2, 3, and turn. Second to last one, cap, 2, 3, and turn. And then the blessed last one, cap, 2, 3, turn, all the way around back to the front. The challenge with what we just did is we only did 20 times around the circle, but I feel like because of how dizzying it can make you, you need the break in between. So this way, 2, and then this one you'll turn on your left leg instead of your right leg. So 1, 2, 3, and then turning to the left, and 1, 2, 3, turning to the left, and 1, 2, 3, and turning left, and 1, 2, 3, and turning left, and 1, 2, 3, turning left, and 1, 2, 3, turning left, 1, 2, 3, turning left. Oh my God. And 1, 2, 3, turning left. 1, 2, 3, turning left. And last 1, 2, 3, and left turn around. Be side plane, starting to overhand with your right hand. And then I just want you to try and do a 4-petal 360 turning left. So bump, 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 bump. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, top, front, bottom, and then spin 5, 6, 7, 8. And front, top, front, bottom, around. And front, top, front, bottom, around. And front, top, front, bottom, around. Let's go around again. Let's go around a third time. And then bottom, front, top, front, bottom, and around. And around. And then around again, turning up, front, and let's switch hands and we'll turn to the right. So we're going around 5, 6, 7, 8, and front, top, front, bottom, around, 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 and around again. And around again, and now we'll turn one more time and front, top, front, bottom, around. Your left hand is easier vertical, which I think is the harder of the two, because basically all you have to do with the other one is you just got to keep it up, basically. I mean, that's not really true, but kind of. There's a lot more nuance to the turnaround that's vertical, because you're switching sides of the body. There's less complexity when it's in the horizontal one. So we want the one that is the more difficult move to be done by the hand that has better ownership of it. I mean, if you were gonna do the pieces of it, this is piece 1, where you're doing overhand with the left hand, while the right one is doing horizontal. This is also gonna help you with your 6-part cap to some degree. Not quite, because it's not quite the whole thing, but part of it. And then part 2 is this. And then in the turnaround, I'm thinking in theory, you should at least be able to go around 1 360, but you might want to be able to go around better than that in 2 360s, a 720.